Hello, and welcome to another Tech Articles. In today's article, we're going to talk SureDash and we're going to talk user registrations. So a little while ago, a few months ago, I added a snippet to really useful plugins to prevent signups from bots, basically, who are using disposable email generators to create accounts. And I don't really want disposable email addresses on any of my sites, so I created a snippet to remove the ability for open registration sites to be signed up for known disposable email accounts. And that snippet and all of the information there can be found in this article here. And this is the snippet that was used, and it works really well. It's done its job perfectly for the last few months without an issue. But recently, SureDash has been released, and we're getting closer to a version 1 release. And I wanted to build a community for a new series that I'm building, and I wanted to let people join me on that build. And we were going to have some sort of communication going on. But again, I wanted to stop bots and disposable email registrations. But this script did not work. Straight out the bat, I couldn't get it to stop signups from disposable email accounts. So I began looking at why that was the case. And it turns out that it's not using the traditional WordPress process of creating an account, which is the case with lots and lots of software. They just hook into the right parts of WordPress to create their accounts, and that's the end of it. But I was able to look through the code in SureDash, which is here, and this is one particular file of SureDash, and I was able to find out that there is a filter position, and here is the filter position here. And it's allowed me to hook that code into this filter position. So you'll see this filter here, SureDash block registered user args. Now, I have been able to add on this filter and apply it to my snippet. So now if we go back to the website here and we go to WP Codebox, we've got the same snippet as before, same URL, same additional URLs. You could change this to whatever you like, whatever you're using. And for additional ones that you want to add above and beyond this disposable list that's on GitHub. And then we've added a new 3B block, so to speak, that hooks into those into that filter. And what it's doing is it's checking if the domain for that user email from the registration is in our combined disposable list, which is this function here. And if it is, it returns the same error, which is disposable email addresses are not allowed. Please use a real email. And it returns that to our SureDash signup. So I now have a working protection for SureDash too. And I'm going to show you that in action. So I've generated an email here with Yopmail, a free disposable email generator. And I'm just going to copy this to my clipboard. And I'm going to head over to my new community, and I'm going to open this in a new incognito. Actually, I'll do this first. I'll grab this. I'll open this in a new incognito window, and then I'll go back to my Yop account and copy to clipboard. So we are all good to sign up now. So I'm going to register for a new account. Bot. This is my email, and my password is BAT. I'm now going to push sign up. And you'll see here, disposable email addresses are not allowed. Please use a real email. Now, if I was to go back to the site and turn this snippet off and save that, same email address, same registration, same sign up. If I was to push sign up now, you will see that it will process it without any interruption at all. It's a completed registration. That user is now registered on this site with no issues or no stopping it from doing this. And this means I could end up with thousands of users that I don't want based on scripts based on anything at yopmail.com, for example. So this snippet now works and protects the email account and is live on that site. And I've updated a separate article. I've made a new article on getting this to work with SureDash. And this video shows you how to do this. I've used WP Codebox. You could use Fluent Snippets. You could drop it into an MU plugin, or you could even put it in your functions.php. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.